Hello everybody, Tie-Dye the World. Thank you for joining us. Diehards, welcome. Today we will be bringing you a tie-dye dye pan special, and this will be to demonstrate a step-by-step tutorial for creating your very own dye pan that will help you reduce mess and help you continue the creative process with your tie-dye projects. So without further ado, let's dive right on in to this tie-dye project. All right, Tie-Dye the World. All right, so right here we ran into a little bit of confusion with getting this rack mounted to the bin, but we figured it out. And so the process that you need to do is lacing it like you would your shoelace. So follow the diagram above and you will be able to easily and properly secure down that rack to the bin, and this is the best way. So good luck and just follow these steps. And so another key aspect to remember and to focus on is when you are punching those holes in the side of the bin, be sure to make them large enough. That way you can fit the sinew front and back through there. So 2 passes need to be able to fit through there. So make them large enough for that. Don't make them so large as that it's going to compromise the structure of the bin, but make them large enough to let 2 passes of your sinew or whatever other string you're using to mount this to the bin. Just make the holes large enough. So yes, keep that in mind. And there you have it. You should be able to have a fully functional tie-dye dye pan at this point. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoyed the show, and we will see you next time. Let the dye flow and tie-dye the world. We'll see you next time. All right, love you. Bye.